Your Airbnb guests are leaving 3-star reviews, and it's not your decor, it's their sleep. The mattress you choose can make or break your booking success, so let's find the perfect one. Today, we're counting down 7 mattresses specifically chosen for their performance in short-term rental properties. We've tested each one, examining durability, guest comfort, value for money, and how they hold up under constant turnover. 7. ZINUS ZU MFMA1ZZI12Q. It's an affordable option. There are some considerations to keep in mind. This mattress features ZINUS's patented zoned pressure relief technology combined with green tea and charcoal infusion, designed to provide both comfort and natural antimicrobial properties. The 12-inch profile consists of multiple foam layers including memory foam for contouring, pressure-relieving comfort foam, and a high-density base for foundational support. The fiberglass-free construction and CertiPro US certification ensure guest safety, which is essential for any rental property. During our testing period, we found the medium firm feel worked reasonably well for back and side sleepers, and the green tea infusion did help with odor resistance between guest stays. The zoned pressure relief system offers targeted support, particularly around the lumbar region, which some guests appreciated in their feedback. Motion isolation performed adequately, meaning couples didn't disturb each other significantly during the night. The mattress arrives compressed in a box and expands within 24 to 72 hours, making setup relatively straightforward for busy hosts. However, several drawbacks emerged during extended testing. The edge support proved disappointing, with noticeable compression when sitting on the mattress perimeter, something guests mentioned when getting in and out of bed. While the manufacturer claims a 7 to 10-year lifespan, we noticed the foam layers began showing slight body impressions after moderate use, particularly in the hip and shoulder areas where heavier guests sleep. Temperature regulation was another concern. Despite the cooling claims, some guests reported sleeping warmer than expected, especially during summer months. 6. Signature design by Ashley M69731. This is a mattress that blends traditional coil support with memory foam layers. This hybrid construction includes 2 perimeter rows of 9-inch, 13-gauge pocketed coils that provide the foundation, topped with 0.75 inches of high-density gel memory foam for lumbar support, 1.5 inches of high-density super soft quilt foam, and 1 inch of upholstery-grade comfort foam. The individually wrapped coils move independently, theoretically reducing motion transfer between sleeping partners. It arrives compressed in a box for convenient delivery and setup, expanding within minutes of unwrapping. The gel memory foam layer targets the lower back specifically, which we found beneficial for guests who suffer from lumbar discomfort. The Ultra Plush comfort level provides a softer sleeping surface compared to firmer hotel-style mattresses, and the hypoallergenic materials make it suitable for guests with sensitivities. The hybrid design does offer better temperature regulation than pure memory foam options, with air circulating through the coil system to prevent heat buildup. The mattress is compatible with adjustable bases, adding versatility for different room setups, and comes with a 10-year non-paraded warranty and CertiPro US certification. That said, we encountered several issues that placed this mattress lower on our list. The Ultra Plush designation sounds appealing, but it translated to excessive sinkage for heavier guests, particularly those over 200 pounds. These guests reported feeling like they were sleeping in the mattress rather than on it, which compromised spinal alignment. 5. DreamCloud Queen-Size Hybrid Mattress. The DreamCloud represents a significant step up in quality and performance. This luxury hybrid construction combines an 8-inch layer of individually wrapped pocketed coils with multiple foam layers, including gel memory foam for pressure relief and high-density foam for durability. The mattress measures 13 inches in height, providing a substantial profile that feels premium and substantial. All foams inside are CertiPro US certified, ensuring they're free from harmful chemicals, heavy metals, and ozone depleters, important for guest safety and your peace of mind. During testing, we found the DreamCloud's medium firm feel struck an excellent balance for diverse guest preferences. Back sleepers appreciated the supportive foundation that maintained spinal alignment, while side sleepers found adequate pressure relief around shoulders and hips. The pocketed coil system excels at motion isolation, meaning movement on one side doesn't significantly disturb a sleeping partner. Temperature regulation performed admirably, with the coil layer promoting airflow and preventing the heat retention common in all foam mattresses. The mattress surface stayed cool throughout the night, even with warmer sleepers. The DreamCloud demonstrated impressive durability during our testing period. The robust 8-inch coil layer provides exceptional support that extends corner to corner. And while we noticed some sinkage when sitting directly on the edge, the perimeter remains supportive enough for sleeping right up to the mattress boundary. The high-quality materials and construction suggest a lifespan of 7 to 10 years with proper care, making this a solid investment for rental properties. 4. Nectar Queen Mattress. This is a consistent top performer for Airbnb properties and our team's favorite for overall value. This 12-inch memory foam mattress features 3 distinct layers: a top layer designed specifically for pressure relief, a firmer middle foam layer for support, and a high-density base foam providing sturdy foundation. The medium-firm construction delivers what sleep experts call universal comfort, a feel that accommodates the widest range of sleep positions and body types. The mattress includes cooling technology in its cover and top layers to address the common complaint about memory foam sleeping hot. During extensive testing, the Nectar excelled across virtually every category we measured. It earned 4 out of 5 stars or higher for cooling performance, edge support, and pressure relief for back sleepers, metrics that directly translate to guest satisfaction. The memory foam contouring provides that pressure-relieving hug around shoulders and hips without excessive sinkage, maintaining proper spinal alignment regardless of sleep position. We were particularly impressed with the edge support, which is typically a weakness in memory foam mattresses. The Nectar's reinforced perimeter allowed us to sleep comfortably right up to the edge without feeling like we might roll off, maximizing the usable sleeping surface. Motion isolation proved outstanding during our couples testing. Movement on one side of the mattress barely registered on the other side, ensuring undisturbed sleep even when partners have different sleep schedules or are restless sleepers. 3. Leesa Queen Mattress. The Leesa brings a thoughtfully engineered 3-layer foam construction that has impressed both our testing team and countless Airbnb guests. This 10-inch mattress features a 2-inch top layer of responsive foam that provides subtle contouring and pressure point cushioning, a 2-inch memory foam transition layer that feels slightly denser and responds more slowly for deeper body contouring, and a 6-inch high-density polyfoam support layer that's firm enough to prevent excessive sinkage. The medium-firm feel works beautifully for the majority of sleepers, regardless of their preferred position. Our performance testing revealed the Leesa Original consistently delivers excellent results across key metrics. The mattress earned an impressive 4.7-star average on our compression tests, demonstrating how effectively the thick support layer maintains structural integrity under varying weights. From our lightest to heaviest test weights, sinkage remained controlled and progressive, with the comfort layers compressing appropriately while the robust 6-inch base prevented bottoming out. This balanced compression pattern translates to comfortable, well-supported sleep for guests of all sizes. The responsive top layer allows easy position changes throughout the night, without that stuck-in-quicksand feeling some memory foam mattresses create. Durability stands out as a particular strength of the Leesa Original. The high-density support foam proved remarkably resilient during extended testing, maintaining its lifting and supporting properties without developing permanent body impressions. Edge support scored an impressive 4.4 stars, indicating the mattress perimeter will resist premature sagging, crucial for maintaining guest satisfaction over years of use. 2. Awara Natural Hybrid Queen Mattress. The Awara mattress represents the intersection of sustainability, luxury materials, and exceptional performance. This environmentally conscious mattress features GOTS-certified organic New Zealand wool beneath a rayon blend bamboo cover, 2 inches of organic Dunlop latex for the comfort layer, and individually wrapped coils providing responsive support. The materials adhere to rigorous global environmental standards, including GOLS, FSC, and GOTS certifications, making this an ideal choice for hosts marketing eco-friendly properties or those personally committed to sustainable hospitality practices. The natural latex comfort layer delivers a distinctly different feel from memory foam mattresses, offering responsive support with excellent pressure relief around joints and pressure points. During testing, we found the mattress exceptionally supportive with virtually no sinkage, allowing effortless position changes throughout the night. Rating around 8 out of 10 on the firmness scale, provides outstanding support for back and stomach sleepers, keeping the spine properly aligned and the body elevated. Side sleepers with lighter body weights found adequate cushioning at pressure points, though heavier side sleepers might prefer slightly more contouring. The latex layer's natural resilience creates a responsive, buoyant sleeping surface that feels luxurious and supportive simultaneously. Temperature regulation stands out as a particular strength of the Awara. The organic wool naturally regulates body temperature, while the coil system promotes substantial airflow throughout the mattress core. Hot sleepers consistently praise the cooling properties, noting the mattress stayed comfortable even during warm weather. 1. Helix Midnight Luxe Mattress. The Helix represents the pinnacle of mattress engineering for Airbnb properties. This premium hybrid mattress features an impressive 14-inch profile with multiple sophisticated layers. A quilted top including fiberfill, polyfoam, and memory foam. A thick upper comfort layer of plush memory foam. A polyfoam transition layer. And at its foundation, a layer of over 1,000 tempered steel pocketed coils specifically designed with zoned lumbar support. The left and right sides feature reinforced edges with tightly coiled 15-gauge springs, providing the fantastic edge support that sets this mattress apart from competitors. A high-density foam base creates a durable foundation, supporting all the layers above. The Helix Midnight Luxe earned top marks across virtually every testing category, consistently ranking in the top 2% of all mattresses our team has evaluated. The zoned pocketed coil system represents advanced engineering, placing stronger coils in the midsection where pressure concentrates, while using softer coils under shoulders, creating optimal spinal alignment and cradling comfort across all sleep positions. The 5-inch comfort layer, substantially thicker than average, provides exceptional pressure relief with 4.0 PCF memory foam that contours beautifully without excessive sinkage. The 9-inch support layer exceeds the average by 1.1 inches, contributing to the mattress's superior performance and longevity. Responsiveness proved excellent during testing. While not as bouncy as pure latex, the mattress adapts quickly to movement without that trapped feeling. Motion isolation performed brilliantly, with only larger movements near the source, creating noticeable disturbance. A sleeping partner rolling over might register slightly in the lumbar area, but not at the head or feet. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.